a song, since the will has come to me. For no song should be called verse in any place if it is not true in every face. Well-placed courtly words with fame into many a light song that goes around. A fine pure poem with reproof is fitting there, and a verse who makes it doubles is good with care. For by fair words his singing shall be praised, and reproof is the foundation against sins raised. Since reproof can be worth so much, I wish it well to be placed in my verse. And there shall be no word but masculine there. Let me be the first, it seems, in such, and I call it joy. For I understand and hold that thus were good deeds done in days of old. So every man laughs through pride's excess, who gives himself no joy when he can stand in honor's stress. So I would wish the highest of all to reprove, if I could, in my song's way, that he be not miserly nor covetous, I say, and that he give himself joy and fast of all. And I would strongly place a sharp reproof sting, that he give for God and take away nothing. But when the rich man is reproved of this in verse, then off the welcome he who carried off the cat's curse. I do not know if the rich will hold me for a prater, if I say of them what truly is their due. But from them I have so little good, it is true, that I know no better men from them now or later. Whether I speak the truth or leave off suddenly, for what I say each understands and sees plainly. And if I say more, I will be by them defamed, and if I leave off, I will be no more acclaimed. Lord God of truth, there is nothing above you still, and as it